Good afternoon, boys. Thank you so much for your participation during the class. Today we started from lesson number 3. It was page number 94, Prince Henry's Party. It was actually a story about a puzzle, how we are going to solve it. So there are 3 parts in this story that we are going to look at it. Part number 1, we have seen the Prince Henry is having a lunch party and he has invited 5 guests to his party. There were Jack and Zach, who are the twins. Twins, as I told you guys, that can be 2 brothers or sisters born at the same time with the same, usually with the same faces. Right? And Nora is their sister. Then we have Lady Emily, who is Prince Harry's cousin, and Maya, who is Lady Emily's best friend. So what we are going to do here, that you can see the clues. There are 5 clues, and also that you can look at it. This table with 6 chairs. So we will try to guess by reading these clues that who is going to sit on these chairs, right? Number 1, we can see the brothers are sitting opposite to each other, so we can easily guess that who are these brothers. If the Jack is sitting on this chair, so who will be the opposite? The Zach. Here we are going to mention the name of Zach. The second, Prince Henry sitting between Jack and Nora. So here we are going to write the name of Prince. I'm using just P to write the Prince and Henry. Prince Henry. Here he says the Prince Henry sitting between Jack and Nora, right? So means who will sit here? Definitely Nora, right? All right. Then let's take a look at the next 2 chairs. Nura is sitting opposite to Maya here. Maya will sit here, and in the middle between Zach and Maya, there will be Lady and I'll use L for Lady and Emily. This is how that you can fill these blanks chairs, right? According to the clues of the part 1. Okay, now let's move to the next part, the part 2. Here we can see that Prince Henry has a servant, Mr. Robert. Unfortunately, when Mr. Robert was laying the table, he forgot a few things. The number 1 is plate, then 1 cup, 1 napkin, 1 knife, and 2 spoons that he forgot to put on the table. We are going to guess now that Mr. Robert, that who is missing according to these persons, the 5 guests, including Mr. Henry, the Prince Henry, who is missing what on his table? So let's see. I'm going to write the answer here. The Prince Henry is missing with the plate, but let's do it according to the clues down there. Lady Emily is missing something that we can drink from. So definitely that we can drink from the cup. So the right cup here. Then Prince Henry is not missing the spoon or not the knife, so he's missing the plate. Then one of the brothers missing napkin. He is the Jack. Then Nura is missing the thing that cut. Okay, that is knife. And the Zach and Maya, they're mostly missing the spoons because we have seen that there were 2 spoons that Mr. Robert forgot to lay on the table. Okay, here we go. You can write the answer of this part number 2. And then let's see down, there's a part number 3 also. That's so easy to solve. Nura is missing what? Here we have seen that Nura is missing the knife. So Nora, she's a girl, but we are going to use with her. Please give it to her. Jack is missing a napkin. Give it to him because Jack is a boy, right? Then Maya and Jack are missing spoons, both of them, and there are more than one guys. So we'll use them while we are writing about them, right? Lady Emily is missing what she is missing. Let's let me check it out. Lady Emily, she's missing a cup. Yes, and please give it to her because she is a woman. Okay, then, and I'm missing a plate. Please give it to me. Okay, so now we have completed these two pages, and that is it. I hope you enjoyed it a lot and you have understood this puzzle and how to solve it. It was quite easy, and this is what I have seen during the class. So because of your participation, you took a lot of interest in it. Right? So I'll see you in the next class. Take care of yourself and